That was with you, right?
No.
Or was that with the sheriff that stopped me up by North saying I was going 25 into 35 and it was 35?
I have no idea.
Well, now, the last time where you didn't actually show up for court is where you went 39 and a 25. Those are different numbers. But then again, you were also completely out of it. Are you still complete? Hey, you're gonna make weird noises again? I see.
Hello.
Oh,
hi. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. So my name's Brandon. Obviously I'm with the police department. The whole reason for the contact is I'm here for the vehicle. Is the registered owner for the vehicle home?
Hey, get in there.
The owner for that car?
What's that?
Is she home?
Yeah.
Okay, do you mind grabbing her from me real quick?
Okay, she's in bed. Yep.
Okay. Oh, okay.
She's getting some shoes.
Gotcha. Apparently this vehicle was involved in a hit and run.
Well, isn't this a blurry situation? Also, someone is escaping.
When?
Well, just now, hopping the fence.
Well, that's why I'm asking her
I
about
say, no, that front end right there happened about 2 months ago.
Oh,
She hit a
no,
coyote.
it's the mirror.
A coyote, huh? I wouldn't be chasing a bird now, would he? Why does this sound like some kind of kindergarten excuse?
Oh, she was saying somebody hit her at the goddamn bar. She hit her some goddamn where. Maybe it wasn't the bar. I don't know, but yeah, she was just telling me about that. She said she didn't know how to report it because she thinks, honestly, I can show you. Come look at it. I don't think, honestly,
Hello.
that it was hit in a hit and run herself. I think somebody popped that damn mirror off because there's no damage to it.
Gotcha. Oh, there's tons of damage to the whole shroud.
No,
missing.
to the front right there. That was from the
that's-
coyote.
That's from a car. That's from
It was from the coyote from months ago.
Okay. So my name's Brandon with the police department, obviously. The whole reason for the contact is obviously your vehicle.
Huh? What? What did you say? Obviously, you're beautiful. Vehicle? Really? Huh? English, right? I honestly understood beautiful. Let's do it again.
This is obviously your vehicle.
Huh? It can go either way.
Vehicle.
See, the more you listen to it, the more it sounds like what I think it said. But it also sounds like what I don't think it said. It's weird.
So apparently, vehicle matching yours description.
Now I hear it. He says vehicle. Vehicle. Or something along those lines. Also, I'm more concerned about the yours. What's going on here? Do you people even English?
Was involved in a hit and run accident. Do you have a minute of your time to chat about it? Okay.
Have him look at that mirror because that doesn't look like a hit and run. It looks like somebody popped it off.
Headquarters 2 on silent. Do you have insurance and everything for your vehicle?
Yeah, I already filed claims on it too because I ended up waking up and I came out and this shit was already gone.
So when did this happen?
Like last weekend.
Last weekend?
Yeah.
What happened?
I spent the night at a friend's house.
Okay.
And I came out, I woke up, and it was a trailer park like this, and it was fucking gone. So, Mom, can you go inside, please? This has nothing to do with you. Why are
I
you
know, but I
part of
just
it?
want you to make sure and let him know that it looks like it was popped up because if it was a hit and run, there would be damage.
Yeah, Mom, you're interfering with the fraud, the lies, if two people talk about the same thing and it's not true, different stories. Officer, listen. You gotta listen. She's wearing flip-flops. The stupid sounding footwear. But a flip-flop wearing bastard is also a flip-floppy person, so keep an eye out.
Okay.
I'm sorry, there would be damage. Go.
Anyways.
Moms just care.
Not the point,
Don't
I
beat
just
up
woke
on
up. I'm not trying to do that shit right now.
I get you. Alrighty.
Just woke up from a nap, and I wasn't trying to wake up this way. She said, there's cops here for you. Like she has to be so dramatic. Like, what? What the Okay, it's about my car. Made it sound like I committed a felony or something. I was going to jail. Yeah, no, so, I don't know. I was at a friend's. I spent the night. I woke up Friday. I already made claims on it too. So this one I made a claim on. I went and got an estimate done. That has nothing to do with it.
When did that one happen?
I was at the coyote.
Alright, I'm getting confused here. Is the bar or pub or local establishment called the Coyote? Or did you hit a coyote? Also, what? She just makes weird noises. That's what she does.
So I made my claims. I have my claim paperwork in the car too. I went and made a claim on that like 2 months after it happened.
Okay. Thank you for coming out and chatting with me about the vehicle. I'll make sure I let the other officer know. If you get a phone call from like a restricted number or something, or another officer shows up, it's probably him just trying to do some follow-up questions, okay? The next thing that I need to address with you, so
Uh-oh.
right now there's an active warrant out for your arrest.
What the fuck? Why?
Yeah. Driver under suspension. Apparently you failed to appear.
No, I went to court. I have the court paperwork.
Okay, so you have a $300 bond, right?
That was with you, right?
No.
Or was that with the sheriff that stopped me up by North saying I was going 25 and a 35 and it was 35?
I have no idea. So right now the warrant's, hold on. So the warrant's saying it's good, right? What I'd like to do is load up you up into the car. Okay, you go down to jail, there's a $300 bond. Okay, it's as simple as that. Yes. So right now I'm placing you under arrest for your warrant.
Yeah,
so I'll have you turn around,
so
put your hands behind your back.
How am I supposed to talk to you about this?
So let's turn around, put your hands behind your back.
I just went to court last month and they literally said I was fine driving under suspension because I have my work permit.
I'll have you turn around.
Okay, can I have give my mom my keys?
I'll give her your keys. Put her right there.
What's the BUS for? Because I have a work permit.
No, that's for what's the warrant for.
Right, driving under suspension, but I have a work permit for not driving.
You want these to go to your mom?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to my car real quick.
But I have a work permit so I can drive, so I'm not understanding how my license is suspended when I have legality to drive.
I have no idea what went on during that incident.
Can I wonder what the issue date was for? Like when the issue
Yes, we can pull that up.
Can you also get my mom for me?
Yep, I can grab her.
You know, driving drunk, getting your license suspended, and then claiming you have a work permit. That still needs to go through court, and if you don't show up, explain this entire scenario to me. Also, mommy! Parental door slap.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, what's going on?
Has a warrant for arrest or what? For DUS, driving under suspension. Okay.
I thought she went to court and cleared that shit up just not long ago.
So I made sure that the warrant's good before she even went in handcuffs, and they confirmed it. Say about that, I just know that the warrant is
Yeah, well, see, and that's what I don't understand, because she did just go to court for that.
Careful, Mom. Someone is breaking and entering. Well, hopping the fence mostly.
Okay.
And they said that judge dropped it, that under suspension.
Okay.
So I don't understand what.
And that might have been a different charge. I saw that she has a few different driving under suspension offenses.
You can't write this shit. Oh, okay, roll the tape. Of course. What's that? What do you mean I'm at the campfire all of a sudden at night? No comment.
On her record?
For the record, let the record show. I'm sorry, it's just a reflex.
So I don't know which one it is, but I know that this one is good.
Depending on perspective.
Absolute drivel.
Bloody hell, Del. This wasn't about flat Earth. Now be gone.
Yeah. Appreciated, everybody. I'll catch you very soon.
Okay.
All right.
So I just wanted to make sure I gave you the courtesy of letting you know before we take off.
All right.
Okay?
Well, I'll follow you over there.
Okay. Alrighty. Mom's gonna meet us over there. She's gonna post bond right away. So this one says that there was a court date on the 20th, which you failed to appear. And then they reset it, and you failed to appear that one.
Oh, that is, surprising, isn't it? And with that I mean...
Alrighty, I'll have you jump out.
It's not that hard. My ass is getting all over anything.
And we're gonna go through this door here.
I want my fucking pants to look wet walking into the
What?
Oh, don't worry about it, officer. She only said, liar, liar, my pants are on fire.
If it's for you to call someone to come post bond for you, they'll let you make that call. If it's not, then it's just going to be up to the discretion of the jailer.
Okay, well, I'll just get someone else.
So what I'll have you do is I'll have you take a seat right over here. Once they're ready for you, they'll get you over there. I'll have you come up here.
Are they able to bring up a personal reference or anything?
You can ask them to, right? If they can, they will. If they can't, then they can't. So I'll have you come over here. Yep. I'll have you stand right in front of that second silver slab there.
Despite multiple DUI arrests and charges, she kept breaking the law and still hadn't learned her lesson. 2 months later, she was arrested again for another DUI and drug possession.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. How do you function in society? You don't. Also, not a heavy voice guy this time. Behind the mugshot. That's original. Bye-bye. You know, perpetual idiot. Well done. Why am I so baffled?
This is obviously your vehicle.